Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are going to do the rewind. And the rewind is what it says. You do a move and you rewind it back. So alright, boys and girls, let's do some rewinds. So that's one example. You go to top of the tree, you stall there, and you rewind back. You throttle up and you do the opposite move, I think. I don't really know what I do, but that's what I think that it is, because I don't see my own sticks, of course. So, and I throttle up and rewind back. So that's one of them. Another one is, let's go to this tree, and you make a corner, go like this, throttle up, and there's also sort of a rewind. So yeah, we have this one, top of the tree, or this one. Another one, I really don't know what I do with the sticks there, guys. I think I do the opposite. I throttle up anyway, so I can break the quad, stop the quad. I throttle up and go do the opposite move. Split S. Rewind. Also very nice. I think with the split S is exactly the opposite what I do with the sticks. Let's do it again. Split S. Alright, my friends, that is the rewind. Alright, that's my battery. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys next time. Cheers.